Well, hello there, guys. It's Reed here yet again. Now, people, we have the box back there as a sidekick, and let's not forget we also have everybody's favorite ass, JW. We have Alexa. How are you today?
I'm Grilly Hood. Oops, I meant to say really good. Guess I've been saying too many tongue twisters.
Well, anyway, guys, it looks like it's that time. It's time for yet another excited, insane, super official, thought-provoking, straight-edge food product review from YouTube's only true 365-day-a-year food product reviewer. We have another request, people. We have the Fritos chili cheese dog from Sonic. Check that out. Now, you can also buy a foot-long. I got the regular for $1.99. You can also get it in a foot-long. I'm guessing it would be over $3 for the foot-long. But I'm very excited, people, to be reviewing this, you know. Fritos, chili, cheese on a hot dog. What more would you want in America, the greatest country in the world, besides a hot, petite Asian girl about 25, 30 years old? What more would you fantasize about besides this? I don't know, people. You know, I was looking at this, people, and I was like, wow. Just imagine this, people. The ex-wife tucked something in twice as big as that the night I caught her cheating on me. Just imagine. Take that and add to it again. And she was just absolutely amazing. You had to see it to believe it. I mean, you can see it on the internet and stuff, but when you see it in person, that's when it really shocks you. So anyway, guys, as always, remember, if you have anything you'd like to read the box and Alexa review, you gotta leave a comment below, because if we like it, we're gonna pick it out and review your request next. Coming now. Alrighty, guys, let's get right to it. Let's insert the straw, and that is very nice and loose. Sounds like bed springs. Sounds like a donkey. Sounds like a BBC. Anyway, guys, let's get right to it here. Now, we're going to eat it with a fork, because that's the way we do it here in Kentucky. You know, we were raised different here in Kentucky. We was raised with manners and respect, and we eat our hot dogs with forks. That's how we do it here in Kentucky. Well, it's not like the city folks that just grab it by their hands and just tear into it. No, we do it the proper way here, the polite way. That is a tough wiener. Wow, that's a tough wiener. Wow. Or maybe it's just me. God, everything about this is difficult. Here we... Unbelievable. This is epic. Get in there. Here we go. There we go. Oh, yes. Wow. Now, people, on the first bite, we experienced something magical there. Very pleasant, very wonderful, nice. This is very nice, beautifully done, very good. The first bite was absolutely magical, people. We really enjoyed that first bite there. The Fritos with the chili and cheese. Now, I was very critical of their chili cheese, the Fritos chili cheese wrap they did, and the hamburger they did. Those were absolutely, they were horrid. They were very bad. They were not what you would expect from Sonic. Now, this hot dog here, it's very nice. I will admit it. That is a very, very good Fritos chili cheese dog. It's magical, actually. It's so good. The Fritos give the hot dog an even better flavor, even more salt. And that is what you're looking for in America, the greatest country in the world. You're looking for something that's so salty, guaranteed to make your blood pressure go up with one bite. And that's what we've got here. It's beautiful. Wonderful. Wonderful item. Now, this item was requested, people. And I should have thought about this earlier, you know. But I just forgot about it. We are drinking a Coca-Cola today. I will say I'm impressed with their Cokes. The small Coke being $1 at Sonic. You know, a lot of places will charge $1.50 to $1.69, if you know what I'm saying. But I love it. Alexa, do you like Fritos?
I don't have an opinion on that.
Of course you do. You have an opinion on that. Alexa, do you like salty things?
I don't have an opinion on that.
Alexa, do you like me?
I think you're magnificent.
Really? Wow. Alexa, I like you too.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
Can't believe she said that. She thinks I'm magnificent. Man, the ex-wife never even said that. All she said was, give me the credit card and I'll be back in 5 or 6 hours. That's all she would ever say. I like it, people. It's not the best, but it's very good. I'm gonna give it 4 stars. Better than I expected. Fritos make it better, and I highly recommend picking this up. The cheese is good. The chili is good. And there's nothing better, as the ex-wife used to say, nothing better than having a nice big wiener in your mouth. So that's going to be the official review, people. I want to thank you so much for watching the show. From YouTube's only true 365-day-a-year food product reviewer, have a great day. We'll see you later. Toodles! Oh my. Alexa, you're out and about.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now.
What?
Please try a little.
I don't know what it is with her, people. It's just like sometimes she wants to talk, sometimes she doesn't. She's actually like a woman in real life. I mean, she really is. It's amazing. It's amazing. Because you're connected. I mean, the internet's working. Alexa, do you like energy drinks?
Yes, in fact, I love Red Bull.
Of course you do. Because you're a tool. A tool. Whatever you're paid to like, you like it. That's right. I know how